What's going on? Today is the test drive video of the Mazda Speed Miata, and everything's going pretty good so far. For the most part, it idles good. It's a little jumpy, a little misfirey. It gets a misfire code, P0300, random multiple misfire every once in a while when I drive it. Haven't gotten it this drive so far. I'm trying to get this old gas out. Got a fuel filter coming and putting in tomorrow. Hopefully fixes everything. Gonna put tank of new gas in it and a new fuel filter, clean the plugs again. But yeah, this is what we've got for now. No power steering. Just because the belt's not on, I need a bolt. Make some noises. So yeah, we've got a few weird noises. Nothing bad right now, nothing's going on. But sometimes it makes some weird clutch noises, which is kind of annoying because the pilot, throttle, and clutch, the bearings and the clutch were all replaced like right before I got it. So it shouldn't be doing any of that. But it vibrates a little bit. Got all the windows up right now, trying to hear any weird noises. It squeaks a bit. The one belt that's on it, I think, is squeaking. Not worried about that right now. But yeah, let's get a better driving clip. Someone pulled out in front of me last time. Not flooring it or anything, but just test drive. It's pretty nice. The steering is definitely annoying. I gotta get the whole like bracket for the bolt on the tensioner for the AC and power steering, but I'm pretty sure the AC works. They just said the power steering has a leak in it. Not a big deal. But yeah. Get some boost, you know. Hopefully my neighbors aren't too mad. Car's not registered, so I can't just go mobbing on the street. It's California. Not taking my chances. Sounds good. Usually we get the engine light. Haven't gotten it yet. Maybe the good gas is at the bottom of the tank. I figured it'd be all bad gas. But yeah, a lot of that gas has been sitting for years. Oh, I can't make this fucking U-turn. Oh, I did it. Oh, that was rough. But yeah, drives pretty good. We got the music. I can't play any fucking copyrighted music right now. I don't have anything that's not copyrighted. Got the auto window. Woo! Yeah, I'm fucking with this thing. Oh no, why is that lock? Oh no, the lock's broke again. Whatever. Figure that out. But yeah, car's doing pretty good. That's a fucking stereo noise, I think. Idle's a little weird sometimes, but I'm gonna attribute every problem to the gas right now. I will have an update test drive video once I fix the gas. I might have a video of fixing the fuel filter. We shall see. But yeah, until next time, thanks for watching.